Hi there, students. Regal, an adjective. Regally, the corresponding adverb. Okay, if you describe something as regal, it's very special. It's suitable for a king or for a queen. So, yes, there are many cinemas in the UK called the Regal, and I guess this is saying it would be something that is so majestic that it's suitable for royalty. Regal also refers to royalty in itself. It's majestic. It is related to royalty. Yeah. Okay. So the regal authority or the regal title. I guess you could, in these cases, you could interchange it for royal. But let's see, we don't really use it like that nowadays because that's very specialized. They gave me a regal welcome. Yeah, a welcome befitting a king or an emperor or a queen. Yeah, something that is suitable for royalty. Okay, be careful. Don't confuse this word with to regale. I've got a video on regale. To regale means to please, to entertain somebody, to provide hospitality. Yeah, to entertain somebody with things that delight them. Yeah, so the beauty regaled my eye, but that's very different from regal. Regal, befitting a king or a queen, something that's magnificent or splendid. Or I guess it could belong to a monarch. Yeah, the regal crown. Yeah, the regal crown of the queen. So nowadays, regal, majestic, royal, noble, magnificent, something like that. Yeah. He looked really regal in his new suit and tie, ready to go to his new job for the first day. So regal, large and impressive in size or scope or extent. Very grand, very grandiose. Yeah, magnificent. So, he lived in a regal manor house. Yeah, he has such a regal attitude that I don't really like him very much. Yeah, I think maybe he's got pretensions of grandeur. Yeah. Okay, she always dresses very regally as if she were a queen in a royal outfit. Okay, so regal, kingly, queenly, noble. Notice also a regal, there's a completely different meaning. It's a small type of organ, a musical instrument, an organ that has reed pipes, but this is very, very unusual and very, very specific. Yeah, so regal, stately, yeah, fit for a monarch, fit for a queen. Yeah, so they gave me a regal dinner. They gave me regal hospitality. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. Let's see, regal, formality. I think I would probably give it a 6.5. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think a semi-formal conversation would sound fine. It's a little bit literary. It's a good word to use in an essay to say something that looks fantastic. Yeah, the regal splendor of the cathedral was amazing. Yeah, so yeah, semi-formal essays, all very formal as well. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, from regalis, royal or kingly, from rex, a king, and regere, to rule. Okay, and I think both of these are linked all of this is linked directly to the word royal. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and yes, if you come back you will be treated to a regal selection of videos. Bye for now. Regal.